Okay, good morning, boys and girls. Okay, welcome back. Now we are working on Unit 4 and you are learning the past simple of irregular verbs. So the first homework is to study, to go on studying the verbs. So watch the video again, not this one but the other one, and study the verbs. This is a video about Unit 6 and about 2 pages. And this is the page. Okay, so take the book and you go to page 50. You have already read the dialogue, so you have to work on this dialogue. For example, you can say, let's go to change the film, for example. Let's go to Harry Potter's film. What type of film is Harry Potter? Well, it's a fantasy film or it's a science fiction film. Oh, cool, I love fantasy films. Where's it on? Oh, well, it's on at the Portefranque Cinema. What time does it start? It starts at 8 o'clock. Okay, let's go and see that then. When you are at the cinema, you must buy the tickets. So, can I have 2 child tickets for Harry Potter, please? How old are you? We're 13. Okay, that's £12. Here you are, thank you. So repeat please the dialogue, okay, and try to memorize some sentences. You can use, for example, this. So let's go, per proporre. What type of film is it? Where is it on? What time does it start or what time is it on? Can I have? How much? What screen is it? Okay. Now la registrazione invece la volevo avviare per leggere con voi Harry Potter. Quindi vorrei che facesse anche proprio un esercizio di ascolto e di lettura voi ad alta voce. Ok. J.K. Rowling had the idea for Harry Potter in an unusual place, in un luogo insolito. She was on a train from Manchester to London, but she didn't have a pen. When she got home, she started her first Harry Potter book. In 1995, ricordate che le date si dividono a metà, in 1995, after 5 years, she finished the first book, Harry Potter and the Philosopher's Stone. She sent the book to lots of publishers, but she got 12 rejection letters. Finally, she got a yes from a publisher, and in 1997, the first Harry Potter book was in the shops. It was a great success all around the world, and Pottermania was born. In 2001, the first book became a film. The director needed an actor for the part of Harry. There were auditions in the USA and the UK, and over 16,000 children auditioned for the part. Daniel Radcliffe's parents heard about the auditions in the UK, but they didn't tell their son. The original location for filming was Los Angeles, and Daniel's parents didn't want him to go to Los Angeles. He was only 11 years old. But the film director saw Daniel in a BBC film, and he knew he was perfect for the part of Harry Potter. He changed the filming location from Los Angeles to London. As a result, Daniel auditioned and got the part of Harry. The Harry Potter films were very successful. The final film, Harry Potter and the Deathly Hallows, Part 2, came out in 2011 or 2011. But Harry Potter fans wanted more. J.K. Rowling created a website, Pottermore, with extra material about Harry and his world of magic. Did you know J.K. Rowling's full name is Joanne Kathleen Rowling. The K is for Kathleen, her grandmother's name. At first, readers didn't know if J.K. was a man or a woman. Harry is J.K. Rowling's favorite boy's name. Harry wore 160 different pairs of glasses in the films. You can read the Harry Potter books in 67 different languages. Harry's birthday is on the 31st of July. It's also J.K. Rowling's birthday. Now you have to copy the questions and answer the questions in your copybook, quindi sul quaderno. Attenti alle risposte. Where did J.K. Rowling have the idea for Harry Potter? Ok. Soggetto J.K. Rowling. Quindi o ripetete J.K. Rowling o dal momento che è una donna, you write she. And then the verb have, the past is had, so had. Okay? She had the idea for Harry Potter on the train from Manchester to London. Then we have when did she finish? Stesso discorso, soggetto è she e verbo finish a cui aggiungeremo ed perché è regolare. Quindi attenti alle risposte ad usare il verbo irregolare. Se non vi ricordate lo cercate a pagina 100. Ora, il secondo lavoro è quello di lavorare invece su, dice, scegliete un personaggio di un film che vi piace, italiano o no, e quindi poi presenteremo questo personaggio. So, what's the character's name? Character in English è personaggio. Quindi qual è il nome di questo personaggio? Ok? Il personaggio non è l'attore, è proprio il ruolo. Quindi se a me piace Harry Potter, quindi Harry, ok? My favorite character's name is Harry. What film is he or she in? Well, he is in Harry Potter's film, of course, ma se io scelgo un altro, può essere anche il personaggio nei pirati, nel film dei Pirates of the Caribbean, i pirati dei Caraibi. Who played the part in the film? E chi aveva il ruolo? Ok? E nel caso di Harry Potter il nome vero è J.K. Rowling, quindi J.K. Rowling played the part in the film. What does he or she look like? Quindi lo descriviamo, il personaggio. Is he or she a good or bad character? È un personaggio buono o cattivo? Cioè si comporta bene o male, quindi che ruolo ha? Potete anche cercare di descrivere il ruolo nel film. E why do you like this character? Perché mi piace questo personaggio? Quindi potete anche cercare delle informazioni, ad esempio aiutandovi con internet, cercando qualcosa del personaggio preferito. Se non avete proprio il personaggio di un film, ok, pensate a un libro, si può fare anche questo. Ok, now let's go, ok, you go to this page e niente, in questo caso leggete e rispondete appunto alle domande. Questo è il lavoro successivo, a me interessava semplicemente oggi fare il lavoro di lettura, perché l'obiettivo principale è ancora studiare i verbi, però visto che c'è tempo per la lettura, magari vi leggo anche solo un pezzettino, ok? Comincio con Hunger Games. Welcome to We Love Cinema, it's a website for film lovers, ok? Quindi qui si parla appunto di cinema, film. So, The Hunger Games. Vediamo di ampliare, che così si legge meglio. The story takes place in the future in the nation of Panem. Every year, the government of Panem organizes a competition on TV called the Hunger Games. In the games, the participants fight to the death. The final survivor is the winner. The government chooses 12 boys and 12 girls to take part in the games. One of the girls is 18-year-old Primrose Everdeen, but her 16-year-old sister Katniss takes her place to protect her. The Hunger Games didn't win an Oscar, but we think it's a great film for science fiction and thriller fans. Jennifer Lawrence is the star of the film. She plays the part of Katniss. She's a fantastic actress. Okay, now I still have time to read Reese Witherspoon. Reese Witherspoon is the star of Legally Blonde and This Means War. She's the Queen of Hollywood. But did you know? Reese isn't her real name. It's her mother's surname. Her real name is Laura Jean Reese Witherspoon. She was born in New Orleans in 1976, but she lived in Germany until she was 4 years old. She became a model when she was 7 years old, and she got her first part in the film Man in the Moon in 1990. She was only 14. She went to Stanford University to study English literature, but she didn't finish the course. After 1 year, she left university to be an actress. She won the Best Actress Oscar for her part in the film Walk the Line. Taylor Lautner. He's young, he's good looking, and he's talented. Good looking vuol dire di bell'aspetto. Taylor is from Michigan in the USA. When he was 7 years old, he auditioned for a part in a TV advertisement for a fast food restaurant. He didn't get the part, but he loved the experience. He wanted to become an actor, and he started drama classes. His family moved to California when he was 10. Then Taylor got the part of Jacob Black in the Twilight films. He plays the part of a werewolf. Critics didn't like the films, but we loved them, and Taylor won a People's Choice Award, premio, for Best New Actor in 2010 or 2010. Ok? Now, exercise, esercitatevi per favore anche voi a leggere ad alta voce, cercando di imitare la pronuncia corretta, perché è proprio la pronuncia su cui non riusciamo a lavorare, visto che non ci vediamo. Poi naturalmente anche qui copierete, risponderete alle, come si dice, alle domande sul quaderno, ok? Ecco, e questo è quanto. Ma questo è appunto insieme a questo, poi naturalmente vedremo il prossimo lavoro che sarà proprio quello di parlare, di innanzitutto fare un dialogo, ma farò un altro video proprio su questo, cioè magari sull'ultima parte dell'unità 4, cioè imparare delle domande, okay, che io qua adesso ho già in qualche modo preparato, le ingrandisco perché così la prossima volta quando vi dirò la pagina sapete già che sono queste, quindi quando uno va al film a vedere un film è queste, quindi guardate bene queste domande e sistematele sul quaderno. Ok, ora il tempo è scaduto e bye bye to the next lesson. Thank you.